everyone. I'm Faral Imran, and today I'll be telling you about Microsoft's latest Copilot and Windows AI features. So, how like few months ago, Microsoft introduced Copilot plus PC. So there was Copilot AI in the PCs, and now I'll be telling you about some of the latest features that Microsoft have added in it. So I'll be telling you all about it. So stay tuned until the end so that you don't miss any information regarding it. So let's get started. So at the Microsoft's New York City event, so what happened? They announced all new Copilot experience. Means they announced a new design. They added some new features, which I'll be telling you in this video. So what they said in the new Copilot design, what they did, they include a new card-based look across mobile, web, and Windows. So Copilot is getting more personalized with features like Copilot Vision. So this vision, what it is, it adds the ability to see what you're looking at. Means, for example, if you're looking at a YouTube video, or for example, you look at Google search, you're looking at something. So Copilot will be looking at it too. And what more it's doing, an open AI like natural voice conversation mode there is, and a virtual news presenter mode is also there that can read the headlines to you. So these are some of the new features and more features I'll be telling you. So Windows 11, what they did, they are getting some new features like phone lick status in the start menu that can show notification and your phone's battery life. Means this laptop would be like connected to your phone, so it could show the notifications and your phone's battery life. And in both paint and photos, they're also getting some fun new features like generative fill and erase. Means there is a feature which is called generative fill and erase. And Copilot plus PC are getting a revamped AI powered Windows search that includes a Google circle to search like click to do feature, and the ability to search for a photo using just a text description. Means using just a text description you can search for a photo. Scrolling down, so we can also see the optimistic memo about the future of AI companions. So even how I said that Microsoft is redesigning a version of Copilot and their intent on making it an AI assistant or companion for you. So, to celebrate this, Microsoft, what it has done, it has penned a 700 plus word memo on what he describes as a technological paradigm shift towards AI models that can understand what humans see and hear. And then how I said that Microsoft Paint is getting Photoshop like generative AI fill and erase features. So, as I already said, they are bringing some new AI powered paint and photos features to Copilot plus PCs that could make creative less reliant on more powerful image editing software, so generative fill and generative erase, which appear to be heavily inspired by similar AI tools in Adobe Photoshop. So these features, they are inspired by the in Adobe Photoshop, these AI tools. So they are inspired by those, and they are introduced to Paint, which allows users to precisely add or remove objects in their image. Both tools utilize a size adjustable brush to paint over specific areas of an image to edit, and generative arrays will remove unwanted figures, objects like background clutter, and other distractions, similar to the Magic Eraser feature on Google's Pixel phones. And generative fill, it also allows Paint users to add new AI generated assets to an image using text description and select precisely where they should be placed, much like the Photoshop tool that shares the same name. And also how Microsoft is using AI to improve Windows search. So here's a video which you can have a look at. So this video in which this is some of the pre-release features, and they're trying to be like the most intelligent, most fastest, because they're bringing AI in the Windows PC. So they say their Windows search would be improved and better. So they say that I'm trying to search for a flower, so they're giving like some flower pictures. And there's also click to do action, which you click on it and then you can search it, like visual search. For example, if there is a glasses, so you click on it and then you see like this glasses where they are. And there are, I think you can make it super resolution in it. And because these are like memorative pictures and this is generative fill. So you can, I think this is the erase thing. And there's a dog in the window. So you can add that. And also you can recall what you find in the PC. So here you can see this is the video about some new features coming to the Copilot Plus PC. And in addition to this, what it is doing, Microsoft is will start rolling out its Windows 11 2024 update with lots of useful improvements, which I showed you. And this improved Windows search feature, it will happen? It will first show up in File Explorer on Copilot Plus PCs next month, which will allow you to search for pictures using words, even if the search word isn't found in the picture or file name. And here, as already said, that they are releasing this, as I already said, like they're releasing their updates. They will be rolling out these updates. So, as I already said, they'll be rolling out these updates in 2024, as I already said. And they said the start menu will have a big change for those using Microsoft Phone Link software. So this it adds a side panel to the start menu that provides information on your phone's battery status and notification, as well as quick access to messages, calls, and photos. And the floating panel is a neat addition for Phone Link users. And they say that Microsoft will give Copilot a voice and vision in its biggest redesign. So they're adding this voice and vision capabilities. So because they want it to transform into a more personalized AI assistant. And they also include a virtual news presenter mode to read you the headlines. And also they'll see like what you're looking at, and the voice feature that lets you talk to Copilot in a much natural way, much like OpenAI's advanced voice mode. And this Copilot is being redesigned into mobile, web, and the dedicated Windows app into a user experience that's more card based and looks very similar to the work inflection AI has done with its Pi personalized AI assistant. And soon, this Copilot new features will be coming soon. So that's all I can say about it. So that's all from my side. Thank you so much.